screw the screw into the board, you will hear the sound of knocking. Because of knocking function, the actual force that you raised as taking is quite small, so you don't get hurt. If you are working on a hard wood with a high density, you can use the electric drill to drill a hole first before screwing. Generally, it is not recommended to drill on a glass using a driver, also because of the knocking function. It will definitely break the glass. You can use an electric drill plus special glass drill bit to drill holes. We highly suggest you to put on your protective goggles, ear pads, and masks when operating a driver, especially in confined spaces where the noise will be louder. We won't recommend you to wear cotton gauze gloves through because they slip off easily. Maintenance. For daily use, you can wipe some oil over screw head. In a dusty working area, you need to clean up the dust on the machine after use, especially the brushless motor models. Dust and airing fillings are strictly forbidden because the internal motor's precision has a high precision. If the dust gets in through the instrument into the internal part of the motor, it may cause damage to the motor.